Alright, you guys, we got our BoxyCharm video. Here it is. I opened it so I'd see what I needed to put on and what I didn't. I'm going to stop the camera and put my foundation on. And then we're going to go through this. But I just washed my face with this Dr. Brandon's. And it is amazing. I'll tell you what. I just washed my face with it. And it is so smooth. Excuse my wheeze. But, it says microdermabrasion, age-defying exfoliator, and it is exfoliating. So, highly recommend this, but highly recommend BoxyCharm even more. Not sponsored. So, I'm going to set that aside, and then I'm going to turn the camera off, do my foundation, and I'll BRB. Okay, so what I used for my foundation was my Physicians Formula, and what I used for my setting powder was my Tarte, and what I used for my concealer was my Tarte Shape Tape in the color light neutral, and this Physicians Formula is in the color LW2, and this is just Smooth Operator. Those are my go-tos unless I use my Tarte Double Duty. So with that said, just kind of blend everything in here. And I did my eyebrows. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I see in the box are these two. I should have used the powder one. Gosh darn it. That's okay. We can use the powder one for contour and highlighter. So we can use these for contour and highlighter and blush. So we've got some brushes. Let's see what the card says they're worth. The Dr. Brandon retails for $58. This here retails for $58. So let's see. These are the Moda brushes. They're $29.99. Let's see what else we've got here. We've got a lip liner, looks like. Cashmere lip pencil. It retails for $14.99. So then we've got a, oh no, let's see. This is by Vintage. So this retails for $21. $21. So this lip gloss retails for $14.99. And then in the very bottom here, we do have a Cover FX palette. And isn't she beautiful? So it's got a Starlight Highlighter, Moonbeam Bright Illuminator, Divine Highlight Illuminator, Silhouette Contour, Stellar Finishing Powder, and Sublime Blush. So might as well get on into this one for the contour, huh? Very nice. This is going on really smoothly. Oh, it'll get too dark on you real quick right there if you ain't careful. So you want to make sure you dust it off. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box that runs you $21 a month. And it always gives you over $100 worth of product. I love my BoxyCharm. I've been getting them a little too late in the month. Today is March 30th, and I'm going to try my best to get this video up before April 1st. I'm going to edit it and try to get it up tonight. Hopefully that works out. Let's use this other brush and do a little highlighter. Love that. So fluffy. I want to use the brightener highlighter. So I also have my Ipsy bag laying down here on the floor. And I don't know if I should do a 2-in-1 video or if I'll just go through the Ipsy bag after we do this boxy charm. Depends on how long this boxy charm video is. This is just not the right brush for that. I have no lips, so I like to highlight around my lips. Okay, we'll go ahead and use this brush for the blush as well. And it is so pink, I'm a little afraid of it. But we're going to give it a little whirl here. So here's how we're looking so far. So I'm going to shut the camera off and do just a really quick eye look. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so here is my easy peasy eyeshadow look. I used like 3 shades. And I'm going to throw some mascara on real quick. Always, always. My roller lash. This is just the best mascara, you guys. Highly recommend it. It doesn't clump up. It fills your lashes. It lengthens your lashes. And it curls them all in one. I have been having this huge problem with my eyes watering lately. I don't know if it is allergies or what in the heck is going on, but it is driving me absolutely bonkers. Aaron in the background repeating every single thing I say. Oh yes, and it's waterproof. So even though my eye's watering, I'm still putting it on it. And then I'm going to dab that tear away with this beauty blender. Get out of here, tear. And as usual, we'll go over that with some of my Bad Gal Bang, and that's just to darken it up just a little bit. I just used like a half a coat, if that's even a thing. I don't know, I'm not a professional makeup guru. As you can tell, I just got it on my nose. But this is just a little more black, and so I like to put a little coat of this on just to give it that little bit of more black. Okay, so now we will go in with our lip pencil.
Shut your mouth and help you.
Hello. I am going to cover my full lips with it because we've only got a gloss. I will say it's lightweight and it is a beautiful shade. And then we'll go in with our gloss. Oh, it's got... Oops. It's got some shimmer to it. Sorry about my eyes watering, guys. It is driving me crazy. So that is very shimmery. Do you see how shimmery that is? That's crazy. But it mattes right down. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. So it mattes right down. Holy crap. So let's dab these tears away. Compliment trick of Graveyard Girl. So today in our box we got brushes, we got a lip liner, we got a palette, we got a lip gloss, and we got a face wash. So here's what we got in our box today for $21. I will have the retail price right here of what everything added up to be. And here's my finished look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave the links and everything for my BoxyCharm down below if you guys want to sign up. Doesn't matter to me. It might give me some points. That's about all it'll do. And then I can spend them in the BoxyCharm shop. And you guys share your links and you can spend your points in the BoxyCharm shop. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.